Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn off the dark mode in Gmail. Whether it's too hard on your eyes or you simply prefer the classic look, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get into it. First things first, open up the Gmail app. As you can see, your Gmail app is in the dark mode. If the Gmail does not have the feature to turn off the dark mode from the app, so let's go to your phone settings. Once you're on your phone settings, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Here, tap on light. Now go back to Gmail and you can see your Gmail has been turned to the light mode. And just like this, turning off dark mode in your phone is super simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.